We're gonna make flowers for Mother's Day today. And I actually made this out of just regular printer paper. So I wasn't sure if it would work because I know not everybody has tissue paper. So I'll show you how to go ahead and do it with the tissue paper. And it's the same method using it for the little regular paper. And you'll see I just stapled it right here to keep the two pieces together. So let's go ahead and get started. So here's my tissue paper. It's about the size of a regular size of printer paper. I made it a little bit narrower so that it won't be quite so big. Okay, so I'm gonna fan fold it. So you just start at one end and you fold it like that, and you're gonna turn it over and fold it like this. I did lots of layers. This one just happened to be a packet of like several layers all together with different mixture of colors, sort of complementary. They're all cool colors with a little bit of green. So here, let's go ahead and just fan fold this. This is great for fine motor skills, for sequencing, colors, and then also you're using this pipe cleaner and you're going to twist it. So once again, you have to use a lot of, I'm going to just tie that, cut that little thing off, I think, at the end. I don't know if it'll make a difference, but let's snip this. Okay. Then you're going to fold it in half. Okay, we're going to cut a little wedge out of the side. So this is where the pipe cleaner is going to go in the middle. So you want a little more narrow there where the pipe cleaner goes. Don't get it too close because then the whole thing will fall apart. And then I like to do just one side at a time. So I'm going to cut this into a circle or half a circle. So I have my petals now on the end there. And I'm going to go fold it over to see where, sort of match where I did that before. If you're having your child do this, you're going to have to draw the petal on there so they have a cutting line. And then we're going to put this in the middle, go about halfway, and twist it really tight. And you want to twist it as tight as you can get it. Okay, so there we go. Now we're ready to open this up. And this is where you have to sort of fluff it up to make it look like a flower. This one I'm not gonna staple it, although you could, I suppose, if you wanted. You could go ahead and staple these together, but it's really not necessary. You just sort of pull this down and you sort of push it up like that. And then now you can start fluffing it. So you're gonna pull these down. Pull these up. Let's go ahead and get this opened up. Okay. Pull this down, pull this up. Get it even more poofy. There's lots of layers in this one, so it'll make a really nice flower. So we're starting to open it up like that. This is getting great. It's really, really starting to come together. So now I'm down to like the last two pieces of tissue paper that really need to be pulled apart. So I'll go ahead and pull these two apart, and I'm just making it nice and poofy. It's really, really beautiful with like lots of colors in there. I like the multiple colors. That looks really nice. And then look for anything else too. There's another one that hasn't been opened up. So we'll go ahead and open this one up. Separate those. You sort of pull them apart like this. There we go. Pull them apart so that they're all poofy. And there you have your flower. It's really nice already. Look at how cute that is. I can just sort of poof this back up over there. And we have like this really nice little puff ball. So pretty, look at that. It's incredible. That's great. Okay, you can put that in our little Mother's Day vase.